Welcome again in third class of the power sharing. Form of power sharing. Power sharing based on the four methods. हम किस किस तरीके से पावर शेयरिंग कर सकते हैं, इसके लिए हमारे पास चार मेथड्स आता है. बेसिकली in the government, power sharing based on horizontal level, vertical level, social groups and political party and pressure groups. At this way, four methods adopted for the power sharing in any government. Horizontal means parallel. Horizontal form of power sharing. Horizontal form of power sharing when power shared among the various organs at same level, like class 10th suppose करें, on the occasion of the national festival 15 August or 26 January. Sweets distribution program organized by our institution. If sweets distribute among all students from the level of UKG to class 12th, then started UKG, LKG, nursery, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It means these are different steps, different level of the student. If all the student of class 10th के सभी बच्चों के बीच अगर हम स्वीट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं, sweet distributed among all the student of class 10th means it is distribution of the sweet at same level among the student. So the student treated as the organs mechanism of class 10th. Class 10th is level. Class 9th, class 11th, class 12th is level, as well as when the same level of the government power distributed among various organ. It's called horizontal form of power sharing. For example, in government, legislature, executive and judiciary at every level, from central government to local government, district government. In central government, a legislature means upper house and lower house, or parliament known as legislature body, legislature organ. Then after all central level or central cadre of executive officers treated as the executives, and the highest level of the judiciary, which known as the Supreme Court SC, is central judiciary, as well as at the level of state government State government, legislative assembly and legislative council, also known as legislature, and all provincial level officers treated as the executive, and the high courts is state level judiciary, as well as the horizontal form of power sharing means the power distributed among different various organs at the same level of government. It's known as the horizontal form of power sharing. This form of power sharing ensure that none of organs of the government gets gets unlimited power. Each organ keep check on the others. इस तरीके से जब हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कर लेते हैं तो हमें सभी के पास अपने अपने पावर्स होते हैं एंड दे आर आल्सो प्रैक्टिस टू द चेक एंड बैलेंस. जैसे जुडिशरी चेकआउट करती है कि द ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ लॉ formed according to constitution by the legislature or not, and in the same form executive implement it or not. If they are any type of conflict, then the judiciary instruct to the ensure the under limit of the power used at every level. It must जरूरी है. Next, vertical form of government. When power is shared among the highest and lowest authority of the government at different level is known as the vertical form of power sharing. जैसा कि हमने फ्रॉम फर्स्ट टू लेकर 10th 12th तक अगर स्वीट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन करना शुरू कराते हैं तो ये अलग 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 लेवल पे हो रहा है. तो जब ऐसे हमारा पावर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन होता है मीन्स सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट को अलग दें, नेशनल गवर्नमेंट को हुई या स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को, लोकल गवर्नमेंट को, जब हम इनमें पावर शेयर करते हैं तो दिस टाइप ऑफ पावर शेयरिंग नोन एज द वर्टिकल फॉर्म ऑफ पावर शेयरिंग. थर्ड मेथड्स, power shared among of the different social groups. The rights in the democracy, main power in hand of the peoples who live in a country, they are classified on behalf of different bases like just Sri Lanka and Belgium. Means in any country different social groups are present which known as the ethnic composition. अगर हम इंडिया को ले लें तो वेरियस सोशल ग्रुप्स अवेलेबल है ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द लैंग्वेज, कास्ट, रिलीजन. इसी के साथ साथ आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन आल्सो मेंटेन अ टाइप ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन among the society on behalf of the social and economical strength. This social group is known as general, OBC, SC, ST are given a fair share in power. This kind of power sharing used ensure adequate representation of each community. जैसे अलग अलग ये कम्युनिटीज़ हैं, इनके पास पावर शेयर 100% किया गया है कि आपके पास जो पावर है वही दूसरे के पास है, और आपका पावर इंश्योर किया जाता है, उसको आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो। ऐसे ही हमारा जो फोर्थ स्टेप्स है, फोर्थ मेथड्स है, द पावर शेयरिंग एमंग ऑफ द डिफरेंट पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज आर प्रेशर ग्रुप्स। Power shared among of the different political party, pressure groups and movement in democracy. Democracy provides the citizen advice to choose their representatives, such as device of the provided by various political parties whose can text election to win them. In our India, multi-political party system enact. They have right to context of election and form government. Peoples are free to choose their representative on their desire. अपनी इच्छा के अनुसार वो किसी भी पार्टी के किसी भी प्रतिनिधि को चुन सकता है। और इस तरीके से जो बहुत सारी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी हैं वह एक कंपटीशन एराइज करती हैं, एक कंपटीटिव माहौल क्रिएट करती हैं, और इस आधार पे हम हर एक पार्टी को राइट देते हैं चुनाव लड़ने का और चुनाव के बाद जीतने के बाद सरकार बनाने का। इस तरीके से हमारी जो पावर शेयरिंग है वह डिफरेंट पॉलिटिकल पार्टी और द पार्टी हुज became as a failure, became as a loser in the election, they treated as a pressure group for the government. They always deny to the government policies. They always opposed to the government policies at the legislative houses. So, the power among the political party and loser party are ruler party and loser party, winner party and loser party. One information out, the loser party who own the 10% seat in Lok Sabha, they became as a opposition party. मीन्स 550 में से 55 सीट अगर लोकसभा में जो पॉलिटिकल पार्टी प्राप्त कर लेगी उसको रूलर पार्टी अपोजिशन पार्टी का दर्जा देगी, और वह हमेशा सरकार की गतिविधियों में अवरोध पैदा करेगी, उससे तार्किक वार्तालाप करेगी, और इस पर उसको पावर होगा, शक्ति होगी, उसका उपयोग करेगी और सरकार को एक सही दिशा में ले चलने का काम करेगा। इस तरीके से आवर पावर शेयरिंग इज इम्पोर्टेंट, सिग्निफिकेंट इन टू वे, फर्स्ट प्रूडेंशियल एंड सेकंड मॉरल बेसिस। ओके, थैंक यू।